Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to get WhatsApp dark mode in iPhone and how we can do this. So right now, as you can see, if I go to the WhatsApp, as you can see, this is kind of in a light mode, so it's not so much I don't feel kind of an attractive, or if you need any kind of change over here, this is how we can do this. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the control center like this. Now we can see the brightness icon. You just need to press and hold over here. At the bottom you can see there is a dark mode, so you have to tap on it, and right now it says the dark mode is on, and you can just go to the WhatsApp over here, and right now we can see the WhatsApp has been changed into the dark mode over here like this. Now we have one more step that is also much easier, so you can do this as well. So to do the same, what you need to do is we have to go to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the display and brightness. From here, as you can see right now, this is in the dark mode because over there I changed it. So if it is light over here like this is also the way how we can change it. If you're trying this as the first step, it might be in the light mode over here like this. So just switch it to the dark mode, and if you go to the WhatsApp over here once again, and the WhatsApp will be in the dark mode as well. Now this is how we can do this, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.